How to download and play Stardew Valley on Windows. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. Basically, you have two ways to do so. Firstly, launch your Steam if you have downloaded your Steam application. Then you have to search for Stardew Valley. As you can see right here, it will cost you $6.99. Now you can easily purchase the game by tapping on the Add to Cart. In order to do so, just scroll down a little, then tap on In Cart option. From there, scroll down until you find your Stardew Valley. Now you can select if it's for your own account or as a gift as well. Then tap on Continue Shopping. After you fulfill the purchase method, you'll be able to get yourself your very own Stardew Valley. If you do not have your Steam with you, you can easily download using your Microsoft Store. For that, just tap open your Microsoft Store. Then in the search bar, you need to search for Stardew Valley. Tap on the option of Buy. As you can see in your Microsoft Store, the gaming will cost you double the price that was available in your Steam. Then tap on the next button at the bottom. Now to complete, select your credit or debit card option. Fill out this form of the information that is of your card number, CVV and much more. Tap on Save once you are done. After a successful payment method, you'll be able to get yourself your very own Stardew Valley for your Windows. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.